Which online trading broker do I use? That's what I want to talk about in this video because it is a very common question I get from people that are beginners and just getting started. So I wanted to make a quick video that I can link those people to because it's actually not as straightforward as what you may think. You may think, Clay, just tell me the name of it. And I understand where you're coming from, but like I said, I would be misleading you if I were to just give you the name, as you'll see here in this video. So first off, I personally use Lightspeed. Now, I want to go to my desktop and show you what Lightspeed looks like because this is where some of the clarification needs to come into play. So here you see Lightspeed, and the big thing here that needs to be clarified is not everything here is actually the Lightspeed program. Now, all this area here, all this stuff is indeed part of the Lightspeed program. However, not everything is because this right here, depending on how new you are, this is called a technical chart. More specifically, a candlestick chart. This is actually not Lightspeed. I'll say that again. This is not Lightspeed. What you are seeing there is called eSignal, and they are a very powerful charting platform. And I'm not saying that you should not use them, but what I am saying is that a big consideration that you will have is this price tag right here. It is by no means cheap. Either $155 per month or $1860 if you buy in bulk for the year. So that is eSignal, and that would be the price that you would have to be willing to pay. Going back to Lightspeed, the actual platform that I'm using, because there are multiple platforms at this site, is just called Lightspeed Trader. So that is the one that I would be using specifically with Lightspeed. Now, the big question you need to ask yourself for Lightspeed is, do you have $25,000? If you do not have $25,000 to put into your account, which gets you over that pattern day trading rule, then you would not be able to use the platform that I just showed you there as part of Lightspeed. And just to keep things extra simple, you would not be able to use Lightspeed at all. And there are all other alternatives, but I want to be very clear that unless you have $25,000, Lightspeed would not be a choice for you. But I want you to keep that $25,000 number in mind, and I want you to keep that eSignal price in mind, where you saw that $155 per month. And then I want to show you and recommend the alternative that I would recommend. So what we are looking at here is called Weeble, and this is just their general platform. But to illustrate things a little quicker, if you come over here, you can make things as customized as you want. But Weeble will allow you to trade stocks, options, crypto, all that. And here's the best part. Come over here. I should have closed that down. But you come over here to add the widgets. You come right here to chart. And just like that, you have a very, very quality looking technical chart. Now, maybe you disagree, and that's fine. But for me, this is a very good looking chart, especially when you consider it costs $0 per month compared to $155 per month. So from that angle alone, I say this is a very good looking chart. And the kicker is that when you sign up with Weeble, they're always doing promotions and giving away free stock, giving away, money. So in some senses, you're getting paid to actually use a chart that is totally free because it comes with the platform, and Weeble doesn't have commissions, doesn't have fees or anything like that. So that is why I would say, especially if you're just a beginner, definitely consider Weeble as the alternative to the Lightspeed and eSignal platforms. Now, a couple of other notes. Lightspeed is definitely going to be very, very fast as a broker, and that may not mean a whole lot to you depending on your strategy, but there also are fees and commissions that come with it. So it's not free trading. There are definitely commissions and fees that you have to pay with Lightspeed, but you are getting a very, very fast platform. With Weeble, it is free. There are no commissions. Like I said, the charts come with the platform, but it's not going to be quite as fast. And again, that may not matter to you anyways, because you may not need to be in and out within seconds when you're doing your trading. So that is a consideration along with the do you have $25,000 or not. But for most beginners and people just getting started in the markets, they're not going to be needing to buy and sell within seconds or anything like that. They're just trying to, build themselves as a trader and figure things out, which again, I would say Weeble is a good starting spot for that. And again, if you want to take advantage of whatever promotions, I'll put a link down below. Full transparency, that is an affiliate link. So if you use that to sign up, I will also get something, but you'll get something along with a great platform, which again, charges $0 per month compared to the $155 per month like you saw with eSignal. So yes, I use Lightspeed in combination with eSignal, but if that's not really what you're looking for at this point in time, I would definitely say click the link down below and give Weeble a try and check them out. They offer simulator trading and stuff like that, so you can really, really get a lot of good quality practice before you ever put any real money into the market. So I hope that helps. If you have any other suggestions or questions, leave those down below in the comment section. But yes, as far as Which broker do I use? Which one do I recommend? Hopefully this video has helped. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.